Okie dokie. Beardo back again with White Rock Dodge, and I have returned to the amazing folks at Epic Adventure Outfitters, and today we're potentially going to get it fired up, so let's go see what they're doing and get this build video started. Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning. How are you today? Good.
Mr. Mike, and there's Lander.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Lander doing the wiring. We trying to run wires over to the so you can wash your windows.
We're going to fire it up today, huh?
That's right.
That's the goal. Our plan is to run this today.
Sweet. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like.
Yeah, this one should be interesting, actually.
I mean, we're pretty much off to the races. Just a few more things to do, and
yeah, we're just the finalization of a few things just in the engine compartment in the front, and I think that's pretty much it. It's because we're amazing.
Yeah. So you think this thing will be done for tomorrow, Friday?
I think all we're waiting on now is a drive shaft.
For the front?
Yeah, rear drive shaft.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that'll set us up so we can drive it. Even if we don't have the front drive shaft, doesn't matter. We don't really need it. But yeah, the big thing is just waiting for the rear drive shaft, and then that should be it. I think that's all we need to do.
Cool. Cool. what, we're trying to pump the coolant into the rear auxiliary tank now?
Yeah, so what we're doing is kind of cycling the pump right now in hopes that it'll help the coolant get down into that tank a little better. Just by turning it on and off might push and pull some of the air out of it.
So we don't have to use that space age giant pump from last time?
Yeah, well, trying to pump, yeah, if not, then we will have to take a hose off the back and force it into the tank. So
Okay.
hopefully this will work. Yeah, kill it.
And pretty soon we'll be off to the races here, firing it up for the first time?
Literally off to the races, yeah. Mission Raceway, here we come.
Yeah.
Okay, you let me know when you're ready.
You're just turning on and off the pump with that iPad there?
Yeah, I've got the Mopar master key right here. Can do just about anything.
That's cool.
Okay, you ready, Mike?
Okay, while we're waiting for that coolant to gurgle, we're going to do some headlights, eh?
Yeah, I thought, well, let all that settle for a bit, and hopefully that'll boil all the air out of the system. Might as well finish off the front end and get the lights in and get the grill in. And these nice fancy headlights are kind of cool.
Oh, with the Hellcat logo inside?
Yeah, they're kind of cool.
That's rad.
Yeah, everything is. Want me to put the fuse in? You want to do it again?
What's the soft up? Can you put the fuse back in?
That's good.
It's gonna fire.
Here we go. Fire in the hole.
Pretty quiet.
You give her some gas?
Nope,
Not yet?
not yet. It's got to run for 10 minutes or so.
What's up?
That's smooth. That's real smooth. That's a success.
Well, let's go up. Let's throw the tires on it. Then we can roll it out.
Okay, well, there you have it. Hades is fired up, and we got the wheels on, the grill back on, the Hellcat lights from America's Most Wanted, and now it's just going to be on to some testing and probably do the final reveal. So stay tuned for that. And a couple more videos coming out on this truck, and we'll take a look at the interior as well in the next video. So thanks for joining us today. Beardo from White Rock Dodge. Bye.